Hello, friends. Welcome to Butterfly Thoughts with Kelly Savage. I love reflecting back on moments with my grandchildren. Some of my favorite memories are the one-on-one moments. There's just something extra special about having that individual together time to connect, laugh, observe, and simply enjoy being present one-on-one. One particular memory came to mind yesterday. My oldest granddaughter was still very little. If I remember correctly, she was just learning to crawl and explore the world around her. Now, Grandma doesn't have just a few toys. Grandma has lots of toys. And honestly, it's intentional. I want my children to come to my house and know that there was always something fun waiting for them, something exciting, something different from what they saw every day. So on this particular morning, we had toys spread out across the living room floor. Animals, blocks, colorful toys, things that rattled, spun, a whole assortment of options. And there she sat, looking, studying, taking it all in. At first, she didn't move. She simply observed. She suddenly locked her eyes on something across the room. I wasn't quite sure, but I had a guess. It wasn't the brightest toy, not the biggest toy, not the noisiest. It seemed like it was the little lamb, a small lamb from a barn set we had. And the interesting thing was that it wasn't nearby. It was clear across the room, far enough away that getting to it would certainly take effort. For a little girl just learning to crawl, it's going to be quite the journey. But it seemed like she had her mind made up. Nothing else mattered. Not the colorful toys, not the shiny toys, not the easy-to-reach toys. She wanted the lamb. And off she went, scooting and crawling, with determination, should I say. She was focused, committed, persistent, and eventually, she got there. I remember watching her and thinking, she is going after that sheep. Out of everything in this room, she chose the sheep. And immediately my mind went to Jesus, the story of the lost sheep. The shepherd who leaves the 99 to find the one. Because here's the funny thing. I actually knew that lamb was missing from the barn set, and at some point it just disappeared. I remember noticing and thinking, we'll find it later. It's just one piece. We have all the other animals. I wasn't concerned. Life moves on. But doesn't that sound familiar? One sheep missing, 99 still there. Everything seems okay. Yet Jesus says otherwise. He says the one matters. The one is worth pursuing. The one is worth searching for. The one is worth finding. And maybe that's why this little moment touched my heart so deeply, because God wasn't willing to leave us lost. He wasn't content to simply say, well, maybe we'll find them later. No, he sent Jesus. Jesus came looking for us. He made a way for us to be redeemed. He pursued us before we even thought to pursue him. That is extraordinary love. It's a love that searches, a love that reaches, a love that refuses to give up. Maybe today you feel like the lost sheep. Maybe you've wandered. Maybe you've drifted. Maybe life has distracted you. Maybe you've convinced yourself that God has forgotten you. Friend, he hasn't. The shepherd still searches. The shepherd still calls. He still pursues. And just as my granddaughter was determined to reach that little lamb, Jesus is even more determined to reach us. How much more does God love us than we could ever imagine. Enough to send his son, enough to make a way, enough to leave the 99 and seek the one, enough to seek you, enough to seek me. And thank God for that kind of love, because every one of us has needed it. Every one of us can become dependent on it, and every one of us can rest in it. Until next time, remember, you are known, you are loved, and you are never beyond the reach of the Good Shepherd.